Hey everyone, John Henry here from School of Trade. Today we're going to be taking a look at a very interesting long setup that's going on crude oil here. We just had the inventories come out not too long ago, and that caused a pretty drastic drop in price. Now, the overall move that I'm looking for here is off of our major level of support at 33.73. We've been talking about this level in the chat room since yesterday, and we finally got the test of that level after the news is out, and that's allowing us a gorgeous area just to be looking for along. Now, given that news just came out, I don't really want to go in very large size. I'm only looking for about 3 contracts here. The first objective to the upside, we do have some resistance sitting at right up at 39. So let's mark that off really quick, 39. So that's the objective that I'm looking for in the upside for the primary area. I'm going to be taking 2 contracts off there, and then I'm looking to essentially ride this move from strong support up into strong resistance at 34.50, the other level that we've been talking about all morning. So obviously I don't want to put my targets directly on those levels, so I'm going to go to 36 on the first one, and we'll go to 47 on the second one. Overall, we're looking really, really good for a long side move here. The day as a whole has been relatively range bound, and the buyers and sellers are really just kind of duking it out. And as we know with range days, we need to be looking to buy low and sell high. And right now, we are low, sitting on support. So this is the exact area that we want to be looking for. My stop is going to go below the low here at 55 once we can get our fill for the entry long, and then looking for the move up. So from our entry point to that first target, we're looking at a move of 56 ticks. The secondary objective up at the highs, and that will give us a 67 tick move. So now it's just a matter of letting the buyers trigger us in and continue higher. If we fail to see the buyers trigger in, or even if they do trigger in but close back underneath this 33.73 area, we need to strongly consider getting out early, knowing that there's a good chance that we're wrong. So we need to see them stay above this 73 level. It's very key for this setup right now. So everything outside of that is looking perfect. We just need our entry, and we're looking for it at 80, and then we're looking for the objective up to 34.36. Seeing heavy bullishness coming into the market. We're nearing our first target. Jeez, oh Pete, we got that filled. Okay, so since we got that first target filled, I'm going to lock my stop up, and I'm going to go just 1 tick behind break even. I know that's opening up the door to give back 55 ticks as an example, but this is giving it the room that it needs right now. Once we start getting more candle formations, it'll be easy to kind of trail our stop up a little bit more, but these candles are so big that we really don't have a choice. So I would like to see this go relatively soon, going up to the high of day, which is at 48. We also have major resistance at 50 and smaller resistance at 51. So there's a cluster of resistance inside there that I would really like to see. We're pushing up. Let's see if they can get that target fill. And there we get the target fill, all in one big move. Look at that move higher. That's exactly what we were looking for, and that's the power of trading a range day the appropriate way. Buy low, sell high, know where the major areas of support and resistance are, like these ones that we were talking about in chat, and that allows you to take these setups with a whole lot of confidence, and you can ride them out for some massive moves. So overall, that's going to do it for me. 179 ticks on the trade with only 3 contracts. It's 1,790. If you have any questions about it, feel free to send an email to School of Trade. Don't forget to check out our trial at schooloftrade.com, and as always, we'll catch you next time.